Hi, good evening. My name is Marcus Economos. I'm a senior at the University of South Florida. I'm currently working on a Tableau project for marketing management problems class, and I was given a data set here of the different players in FIFA 19 and the attributes of those players and of their organizations. So as you can see here from sheet number 1, this is um, a display of data for the weight of all these players here. And I added in two factors, the jumping factor and vision. So I was able to conclude that from the weight range of 154 pounds, which is right here, to 181, right here, those athletes have the best scores of vision. And also, if you take a look down here, I know it's a pretty big range, but 143-pound person, their ability to jump is pretty well across the board here. To about 194, it really starts, going down very steep. So for number 2 here, I did this one based off of nationality and the average shot power and the average amount of skill moves. So when you take a look here, Chad, basically the highest ones here, Chad, Dominican Republic, and Ethiopia, and then, this here keeps going, and look at over here. I believe this is Sao Tome, and then United Arab Emirates is going to take off down here for the average skill moves. If you look at their numbers, everyone here has about, 2.5, 2.3, 2.5. But then look at over here on the right side of the data here. Look at this. United Arab Emirates, their players, they've got a lot of skill moves. They've got an average of 5 per person. So that, to me, tells me that if they can get their other capabilities for their team aligned, such as a goalie and, actual scoring, these guys have the skill to do it, the skill moves here. So going on for the third and final data set, I wanted to display the data a little bit differently because I found some of the features in this program to be unique and interesting. So in the top section here, I have a multi-level query that I made with height and body type, and then the average acceleration. So you can see it kind of goes up a little bit, and right around 5.3 to 5.6 doesn't have much of a difference, but when you get to 5.7, that's the average height for a male. And also here, what I did notice is that the top portion, whenever the athletes get taller than 5'8", that the average acceleration is decreasing when you go from lean to normal to stocky. So over here, lean, stocky, and then boom, heavy drop for heavy. Same with when you go to 6'2", you come up here for lean, then you go, you're taking a huge dip here. Lean, normal, stocky. And then down here, this was a display of the age the age of the players that, are up here at the highest, their acceleration. Um, it's a lot of good information from these graphs. I went ahead and made a fourth graph just because I was kind of messing around with the data, but that's irrelevant. So I hope that you were able to enjoy my presentation. Thank you very much.